good. This guy's still alive. And this surprised me. I just put this is a pup from that guy over there. But, and it's blossoming like crazy. Look at that, it's got its own little pup. I don't think I'll be able to get that one out. So, and these are the feet for the umbrella over there, which has wasps in it. But you can see all the rust, lots of rust, and it appears they don't make these anymore. So either do some remediation on this and preserve it for as long as we can, or make something of our own, fabricate something, but that's that. And this is the avocado that our neighbor gave us, as well as that papaya tree. And man, I mean, this got like very little dirt, but whatever her soil mixture secret is, it's great, because look how good that looks. And mine, all these guys over here, they look all scraggly. And this is my oldest survivor. And look at that trunk. It's not even as thick as this. Oh, thank you. That might be close. Anyways, and I brought the pineapple outside, like not a subscriber, a commenter mentioned, put it out in the sun. So I did. The other one's inside is not looking too good, but here I got this succulent as a thank you gift for attending a party, the kid's first birthday party, and it was dying. So I put some water in this dish and it soaked it up. So I'm gonna let it get some sun for a couple of days. Oh, and this is a pup from here too. Dang. Anyway, so we'll see. Cross your fingers. Check back in and see if I killed it. Oh yeah, look, I put some stones for decoration. Ain't that nice? And everything else, these tomatoes are still alive, but that's it. That's as far as they've grown. And no tomatoes. This bamboo. And over here, I'll put this avocado next to the bird bath, so they can land on that if they want to. And this tomato here, nothing. Let's check on the bamboo in the back. Oh, and this pumpkin is still alive, but one guy's clipped off part of the vine, which I would be pissed, but it's not doing anything anyway, so. Let's look at the bamboos. Rain. It's supposed to be raining today, but nope. So these guys aren't growing as fast, but look at this. It's getting there. It's as tall as me. And this one here, see, it's got the baby fur, but it's already leafing out at the top. So you see the one moving the most. That's one of the newer ones. And it's already, it might get a little taller, and it's leafing out at the top. And here, that's one of the other new ones. It's about a foot taller than me, so it's 7 foot. And that's pretty much it. Again, it's little rain, so nothing much is popping up or growing more. Here's the bed. So as you can see, this thing is like 9 years old, and it didn't run all over the yard. It's stuck right here. It's not, I mean, it spread a little bit from there to there in 9 years. And, you know, over 50 years, yeah, it's going to spread a lot more, but I'm not going to be around. So here's the Mexican petunias. Oh, there's Stella. Stella. Still alive. Looks like it could use some water. But this is going to be a long video, and I doubt anybody's going to make it this far. But it seems that YouTube pushes long videos. They like long videos. I don't know why. Let's look at this. This bamboo here. It's not doing much. Really dry, but let's see. Where you at? Okay, here's. See where my hand is. That's one of the new ones there. And here's another new one, and it's pretty short. And this guy right here has not grown much since the last week. And then nothing new. Anyway, so what I was going to say is, if any of my old subscribers from way back in the day, from my Japanese posting days, leave a comment. Let me know you're still out there, because the analytics aren't showing any of my old subscribers watching anything of mine. Like a 0.6, and that's might as well be nothing. And let's look at the pineapple. This is the bigger pup. Here's the mom. It's still green, and then the smaller baby. And then this grass, I like this grass. I'm just gonna leave it. I think that looks nice, better than the scraggly crap this is. Oh, and this pumpkin, this toast, they whacked it too. It might, you know, if it'll grow back, it'll grow from this, but it's not gonna produce a pumpkin. And this tomato is not tomatoing. But that's about it. So leave a comment if you've been with me for the pretty near 20 years I've been posting this crap. And if not, leave a comment anyways. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you.